Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I will be introducing a typical daily lifestyle of my studies here at Chang'an University Ling Shui Campus. So come with me, let's go. Being a student at Chang'an University is also enjoying extracurricular activities such as picnics, cultural events. As of today, I'm here for a cultural event and I'll be covering it and showing you guys how things look like. After following me for some time, I think it's now time to get some reviews of what other peers think about Chang'an University. So let's go and meet them. So we are here in Chang'an University, Hainan Campus. So we want to get what are your impressions so far? How has things been moving since the beginning?
Okay, well, it was amazing. I love every second of being here.
It's a good experience.
It's a very lovely place. Hainan is a different place, a different province, and it's a very beautiful province over here. So our perception of this place is it's a different ethnic community living here, and we have, went to different places about some historical places, and we have heard about their history.
Obed, what do you think about this company that we just visited and the equipment?
Okay, so this company has actually taken advantage of the natural resources available, the wind, the sand, and also the water. And they really utilize it to power the energy system of a country. And so this has saved a lot. If this would be implemented anywhere in the world, it will save them a lot of cost and also improve the efficiency.
Thank you.